Yes! Oh my goodness, I learned so many new things, especially how to clarify a project.
To be inside this community is very exciting for me.
For all cultural organizations, especially in our region, being connected is really bringing so many benefits.
Having ENCC, which is one of the biggest European networks, allowed us to have really participants from all over Europe.
It's so important to, in peer context, to share your ideas.
The most important experience in my life to begin to cooperate with strangers.
I learned a lot from our mentors and I would like to keep this context forever.
I'm sure that 4/5 of those people will be successful in their applications.
We look forward to hosting you in Malta on October 24.